At jobs.utah.gov, our unemployment insurance services allow you to report wage information manually or to upload a wage file. This video will explain the manual report filing process. Please note, you must first create a user account and add a business before you can file a report online. After logging in, click the Tax tab and select File a Tax Report Manual Entry. Select Start Report next to the year and quarter you wish to file. The system will automatically provide the names of employees reported in a prior quarter. Enter wages for only those employees who performed services in the quarter for which you are filing. To add a new employee, click the green Add Employee button. Then type the new employee's information into the pop-up box and click Add to List. When the wage list and report are complete, enter the number of employees who worked each month of the quarter, then click Continue. If reports must be filed for multiple quarters or for another business, click Start Another Report and go through the steps again for each relevant quarter. Once you have completed the desired reports, check the box next to the reports you wish to file, then click Continue. On the next step, if an unemployment tax is due, payment options are provided in the drop-down box. We recommend using an electronic funds transfer, or EFT, which is a no-cost, fast, and secure payment method. By selecting EFT, you have the option to save your banking information for future use. After entering your banking information, click Continue. Confirm your information, then click Submit to complete the process. Remember, your report is not complete until you finish this final step and click Submit. You will receive confirmation when the report is submitted successfully. You will also have the option to view or print information for your records. Your reporting history is always available to view through your account. If you have paid via EFT, you do not need to send any paperwork to the Department of Workforce Services. If you're having problems or need additional assistance, click on the live chat button during normal business hours, and a customer service representative will be happy to assist you.